Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how you can set fingerprint sensor in your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your settings, then click on security and privacy. Lock screen, here it is fingerprint. You have to enter the password, continue, and just register your fingerprint here. You have to just hold it until the green line finishes. You have to just do this and the fingerprint is added. Now press back, turn off the screen, and you have to turn on it by fingerprint. You can see, and now it is unlocked. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.